Hi everyone, welcome to the overview of the challenges. What we're going to discuss today is how do challenges look like, what kind of tooling you will be using, what are the deliverables for the challenges, some important days, and a possible action plan to tackle the challenges. Let's start with the overview. Students collaborate in groups of 10 to solve a medical problem using artificial intelligence and machine learning. They will work with real-world data and provide insights on a genuine medical problem. This is an opportunity for students to develop both technical and soft skills they have learned during the course. Each group will receive a medical data set, anonymized if necessary, mentor that can support with technical guidance. Also, a mentor that supports with soft skills elements of the challenge. And of course, they will have a question or problem statement that needs to be addressed. The challenges are open, so students are encouraged to look beyond the given problem and explore the possibilities the dataset presents. Here, you can see a list of challenges. One of them is particularly dear to my heart, which is the third one, because I myself suffer from atrial fibrillation. To give an example of how the data looks like, let's take the Mania challenge. The data set is just a tabular data set, in this case with numerical data, where you can see a number of indicators for patients that suffer from mania. And you can see from the last column, the ID column, if the recurring is associated from before or after receiving a treatment. The dataset will also give you a description of the various variables. And the goal for this challenge is to predict what are the most important indicators for mania. But at the end of the day, it will be about, can we predict based on all the variables except ID, whether a patient has been treated already or not. Again, you are free to go beyond that. And before starting, some data exploration will be necessary. You'll have to look at how much data you have, the number of rows, the number of columns. You'll need to look in missing data. Do we have any? And also look at what kind of data does each column contain. Is it numerical? Is it categorical? Or is it text? You'll also be able to look at correlation between columns. And you can think about, do I need any pre-processing before I can proceed with the challenge? The tool that is available is called H2O AutoML, and it will assist you in many of the challenges by providing tools which are ready to be used without needing to learn to code. The deliverables for the challenges are a presentation at the end with the findings based on the work you've done and the approach that you follow, because sometimes you might not be able to solve the problem, but that's also a valid finding. So don't forget to include your approach. If you look at the dates, on the 19th of September, the enrollment opens, and on the 14th of October, the enrollment finishes. In the 17th of October, you get access to AI material and soft skills, and on the 24th, the challenge section opens. By the 7th of November, all the students should be in groups and they should have picked their challenge. This is to give everybody enough time to finish by the 19th of December, where all the challenges should be finished and the final presentation are done. So if you need some guidance for the action plan, we suggest what's on the slide here. In the first week, you dedicate yourself to data exploration. On the second week, you can ideate what kind of approach you want to take. In the third and fourth week, you can take a look at different models based on the data that you have. In the fifth week, you can start drawing conclusions and create presentations. On the sixth week, we suggest you to rehearse and review what you've done. And on the seventh week, to present the work that you've done. So, good luck to you.